Alexander, it's great to have you here on this Black Friday, perhaps an appropriate day to feature a prominent retailer. Take us through what you feel is the story for the American and global consumer at this point.
So if we look at the category, it's been in a rather flattish state over the last few years. Even some markets have been in negative territory. Our last 5 quarters, Pandora has delivered a double-digit organic growth. So we have good momentum going into the holiday season. As you mentioned, 40% of the annual profit happens in the last quarter. So this is incredibly important, not just for us, but for the whole industry. And I think we are seeing people are excited. I read the other day that the U.S. consumer sentiment is up a little bit in November, which obviously bodes well for today. So this is a big day for us.
Alexander, how much of the success that you are seeing right now with Pandora and jewelry in general is due to broader macro tailwinds from the global economy, perhaps consumer sentiment, and how much do you attribute to your own company's specific product innovation or offerings?
So the underlying category is actually, as I mentioned, slightly negative probably at a global level. So the kind of double-digit growth we have experienced is purely down to what we do. So this is big market share gains, predominantly driven by our investment in the brand. Assortment in this category moves relatively slowly, so they're not major innovations. We have a few, but the kind of key to our success of late is mostly driven by the brand and the brand heat that we managed to create.
What types of products are you seeing the most gravitation towards on your side of things? You have many different products across a decent spectrum of pricing. Are you seeing more of that strength coming from higher-end consumers? Are you seeing it more from aspirational consumers or those who are going into your perhaps more entry-level products?
So Pandora's, let's say, mission in life is to serve the middle household, income households. So that is our core customer. Of course, everybody's welcome, but we serve the middle of the market. Our average basket in the U.S., for instance, is north of $100, let's say. So that's the type of consumer that comes into Pandora. And every year we seem to be able to get more of those people come through our doors. If you look at the assortment, it's kind of even keel. 50-60% of the business is related to our charms business, and then the rest is what we called, let's say, finished jewelry. And when we get into these kind of big trading moments, the whole level goes up and down. So it doesn't change or gravitates to any particular part in the assortment. Now, of course, we brought some new products just in front of the Christmas period here. We've added a few products in our diamond collection, which has done pretty well. But largely speaking, is the whole sea level kind of rises when we go into these moments.
How much has the rising price of gold and silver contributed to pressures on your company? And do you feel as though you've been able to absorb most of those or at least effectively pass them on to the end consumer?
So if you go 5 years back, you paid roughly $16 per ounce on silver. We're predominantly a silver jeweler, just to put it out there. I think today the silver price is roughly $31. In this period, we've passed on roughly 10% over those 5 years, 10% in consumer pricing. So let's say that an average item in my shop starts at $50. Now that would be $55. That's kind of the magnitude of the change. The most recent price increase on silver, normally we hedge 12 months out. So we're not, let's say, we don't have a volatility in the financials on a 12-month horizon. But of course, if the price then stabilizes at a higher level, then we need to take some precautionary measures. More often than not, we have managed to absorb this with efficiencies. At this level, we probably need to pass on a little bit to the consumers. And I think the rest of the industry is probably in the similar space as us.